When I tell you the experiences that I get riding around, I see the condition of the women, the toxicity in their voice, the misandry sometimes, the disrespect. And then I look at your channel and I'm like, yo, look at what Elle is doing. Like, she's serving my man. No questions asked.
What up, y'all? Guess who's back in the Matrix?
You blowing money fast on this side, nigga.
Richie Madman.
I'm sorry, Miss Jackson.
When I move, you move.
Just like that. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. In the kitchen, wrist twisted like a stir fry. In the kitchen, wrist twisted like a stir fry.
Welcome to Atlanta, where the rap is real.
Because this type of shit happens every day.
Zoom to Thailand. I'm at the Black Manosphere Conclave. Theo Wap hooked me up with a room. I'm excited to meet the brothers and even get a drop from a sister.
Zoom to Thailand.
What up, Zoom Tribe? Today, I'm taking you guys on a journey with me to the Black Manosphere Conclave in Atlanta, Georgia. This is the first time I got to actually meet people who rock with Zoom to Thailand, as well as people who set positive goals for themselves and showed up suited and booted, pens and papers and iPads to soak up this game and leave as better men than before they got there. The speakers were awesome. Shout out to Theo Wap, who spearheaded the event. I also want to give a shout out to one of my favorite speakers, Obsidian Ali, whose book I bought and he personally signed. Amazing book, by the way. It seemed like all of my YouTube superheroes were there. The kosher clinician was there. The real Nathan Daly was there. The lead attorney was there. Sir Hell Speaks. El Guapo, my guy, along with amazing speakers and very powerful, outspoken brothers in the audience to give their opinions and soak up the game that these brothers were given. The only thing missing was the Angry Man, Dennis Sperling, and the late, great Kevin Samuels. The event was organized and the brothers ran a tight ship to keep things moving. Food was even provided on Saturday. Everything you needed or could ask for was there, and the classes, from what I heard, were phenomenal. This was a life-changing experience for everyone, including me, because I live in Thailand. I haven't lived in the Matrix since 2019. I never knew directly the inspiration and the effect that Zoom to Thailand has been on people. I have to give another shout out to El Guapo for taking over my live stream, along with Mousy, who also did an amazing job. One of the highlights of the weekend was to have dinner with the two people that really helped blow up Zoom to Thailand and put it on the map, which was lead attorney and MTR. Shout out to MTR, who I like to call my little big brother, as well as his beautiful cousin, and of course, El Guapo, who picked up the tab for everybody. Shout out to El Guapo's credit card. But it was at that dinner I realized the feeling I felt meeting Lead and MTR for the first time was probably similar to the reactions I was getting at the Black Manosphere Conclave. The things these brothers told me really hit home.
Changing lives,
The way
man.
they said Zoom to Thailand inspired them, made everything I worked for so hard with these 18-hour editing days, it finally made sense. You'll get to hear from some of these guys in their own words. You're going to hear a little of the wise words spoken by the speakers. This video couldn't do enough justice to the feeling and emotion that I had being in the presence of all these positive people in one space at one time. There was not a hater in sight. Let that sink in for a minute. A room full of brothers with no haters? How is that possible? This is what happens when good people stick together. The Black Manosphere Conclave was a tremendous success. Once again, shout out to Theo Wap and allowed me to be a part of this amazing event in my own way. All right, enough about me and the cartoon talking. Let me give you guys the highlight reel of how it went down. But first, I gotta take you back to Thailand real quick for some perspective. You dig?
All right, you guys, before I leave, I get cut by Suni. She doing my hair. Here we go. Let me ask you why. Hey, they're saying goodbye to me. Hey. Oh, wait a minute, let me go. That's Suni Shop. Hey, buddy, What we doing over here? Y'all see it? Hey. Cut my man's hair. If you guys ever watch, this is the man responsible for me knowing about Sunni's shop. So y'all should thank James, man. Give James his props. Because James is the one that told me about Sunni. When I first came here, I was a puppy. James used to be like, I was like, where can I get a haircut? Where can you cut black people hair? James is like, Sunni, man. She cut the nose hairs out. She give you a shave. She even cuts the hair out of your ears. She even cuts the hair out of your ears. She's not playing no games. What barber cuts the hair out of your ears after a haircut? You can't make this up. Cut my hair, gave me a fade, cut the hair out the ears. All this $2.50 US. Now Sunni's prices has went up a little bit since 2020. Instead of being $2.50 US, it's more like $4 to $5. Can you afford that? If you can't, don't come. You do all that and here she was. Sunni, mama son, shake it, baby. Sunni, give him that dip you be giving him. Give him that dip. You give him that undip, Sunni. Sunni, give it to him. You gonna give him the undip? Hey! Headed back to the Matrix soon. Had to get the haircut, have to get it right. You understand me? Got another brother, you see what I'm saying? Come in looking like, what's up, brother? What's up, brother? How you doing? Nice to see you. Nice to meet you. What's going on? That's Sunni's shop. She's famous now in America. Yeah. Is Sunni famous? Is Sunni famous?
She is famous.
Yeah, man. Everybody knows Sunni. Yeah, Sunni, you did it. Sunni is famous, and now she got her new. And you guys stop stealing Sunni's. Stop stealing Sunni's barbers, y'all. Look at this. Swati Kab, I'm not met you. Swati Kab. Sabadi Mai. Hey.
You ain't famous or nothing. I mean, you got like almost 100,000, but you know, everybody know who you are now, bro. They appreciate you too.
Appreciate you, brother.
Yeah, they appreciate you because you get some insight to stuff that other guys don't get insight to. Because until you mentioned it, I didn't know about the dark side.
Wow.
Actually, I saw your video about the dark side while I was in the States. Yeah.
Oh, you just fresh meat just getting here. Well, I put that bit up a while ago. Oh, okay.
But I'm saying I didn't know about the dark side until you provided insight about it.
Right.
Because everybody's so busy over here, nobody talking about the dark side. You know, yeah, it's a little bit of dry, but it's a pristine community. Golf communities, gated.
You golf?
No, I don't golf.
Back to the Black Manosphere Conclave. These brothers were from all walks of life coming together for one common goal: to win.
I'm in transportation. When I tell you the experiences that I get riding around, I see the condition of the women, the toxicity in their voice, the misandry sometimes, the disrespect. And then I look at your channel and I'm like, yo, look at what Elle is doing. Like, she's serving my man. No questions asked. And we can barely get a smile from some of the baddest. And then not only that, it gives us hope that we can leave and see the world. Real life, this is like Babylon. This is Babylon. And the Lord instructed us, hey man, look out, get out, because you already see what's going on.
And also shout out to Zoom to Thailand.
My experience with the Black Manosphere started with Zoom to Thailand. You guys like you showed us the world in a way that we never seen it before. And it made us want to be better. It made us, you were just as responsible for this conference as anybody else. And I guarantee you 50% of the guys here started by watching Zoom to Thailand. You changed my life. And you made me want to change my own life for the better.
All praises due to God.
I told you.
Man, you guys don't know how good it feels to know influence that Zoom has made on people, but I'm seeing it now. I'm actually in the Matrix and hearing from brothers live saying how this has influenced them, what a difference it's made in their lives, and that means so much to me, man. That's where the blessings come in. Y'all gonna show y'all the rest of it later on. We gonna see what it do, man. You dig?
I had never seen your content before. I think you came across my timeline because I was probably researching passport bros or something. And it came on Zoom to Thailand, and I was like, Zoom to Thailand? Is this an office meeting in Thailand or something? I jumped onto that and I said, yo, he had his girl out there tanning to make herself darker because he like it darker.
Man, come on, man.
You know what I'm saying? She said, do you...
No problem with that. So you told your lady
That's right. You brought that up. You mentioned that too. Yeah.
Then I saw how she dressed when she stepped out. I was loving the information, man. Loving the channel. You keep doing your thing, bro.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate you, man. Can I get a zoom to Thailand?
Moses, zoom to Thailand,
Hey,
baby.
Can I get a zoom to Thailand?
Zoom to Thailand.
Can I get a zoom to Thailand?
Zoom to Thailand.
Hey!
Y'all know what I'm about to say, right? As a matter of fact, all the people on the water holler.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mack, Travel O.G with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, Travel O.G, let's go.
And if you haven't joined yet, you should also consider joining our Patreon, where I can show you the things I can't show you on YouTube, as well as discounts on merchandise, consultations, throwback DJ mixes are made for you to listen, drive, and work out to. And most important, by joining the Patreon, you'll be able to get in direct contact with the Travel O.G. You dig? Memberships start at $5 and you can cancel at any time. Oh yeah, and you might also want to join just to support your boy and keep the movement going. Appreciate y'all. Catch you on the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.